Okay, here's the zipper. I'm going to go down here to the very bottom, and I'm just going to remove a couple of teeth down here. Took a little clip here and a little clip here. And now I'm just going to clip those out of the way. There, now there's a place where I can pull the zipper back down and slide it on right where we clipped out those little pieces of the zipper teeth. And now I'm just going to slide that on like so. Get this line back up. And the zipper is repaired. Now I just have to go back down here and I'm going to hand stitch just above where I clipped those teeth out and close that up with some hand stitching, and now my zipper is repaired. So now I'm going to just go turn it inside out and go to the bottom of the zipper here, and I'm going to go in and sew above, right above, making sure I don't go into the dress. Where I go right above where I cut out those little teeth, and I'm just going to sew this across here. To hold this tight. And then tie it off. It off, clip your threads. There we go. All repaired, all done. What a beautiful prom dress this will make. And now it's wearable since we fixed the zipper. A quick and easy way to fix a zipper. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.